Hello everyone and welcome back. Today we're gonna see how to activate Touch ID on iPhone 6. Firstly, open Settings, then tap the Touch ID and passcode. Select Turn Passcode On and enter a 6-digit passcode or tap Passcode options for a custom passcode. Re-enter it and confirm it to activate it. If you didn't set up Touch ID when you first got your iPhone, go to Settings, Touch ID and Passcode and turn on the option you want to use. Follow the on-screen instructions to add your fingerprint and place your finger on the home button and lift it when prompted. Adjust your finger position until the scan is complete, and that's it. Your iPhone is now protected with a passcode and fingerprint recognition for extra security. And that's it, guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.